Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you exactly how to create relaxing music videos for YouTube. Step by step, you don't need expensive gear or a studio, just a calm vibe and the right tools. Let's dive in. Relaxing music videos are long shooting soundscapes combined with peaceful visuals, great for meditation, sleep study, or stress relief. Examples: soft piano plus mountain view, rain sounds, window, ambient tones, abstract loops. So they get millions of views and are perfect for passive income channels using ad revenue or YouTube monetization. You can create your own music or use royalty-free tracks. Here are some options. Make your own. Use free tools like LMMS, Cakewalk, or GarageBand. Loop cam pads, soft piano, or ambient synths. Go to GarageBand. Or LMMS, then download the tool, export as MP4 or WAV, royalty free music websites, YouTube audio library, Pixabay Music, Soundful, or Epidemic Sound. Find and download a calm piano loop from your Pixabay or YouTube library. Go to youtubelibrary.com. Search for piano. And download the track. The visuals are just as important. Here's how to make your video visually calming. Use stock videos from Pixabay. Search Pixabay or Pexel or BDJ. Look for loops, nature, galaxies, occasions, fireplaces, loop and still images. Add a slow zoom effect to a peaceful image. Use blur or gain overlay for softness. Create animated scenes. Use After Effects or Canva Video Editor. Animate stars, particles, or rain. Download stock video, drag to timeline and loop it. Just like that. Now combine your audio and video using any video editor. Three options: CapCut, Shortcut, DaVinci Resolve. Import your music plus visuals. Stress visuals to match audio length. Add fade ins, fade outs, or light effects. Export in 1080p or 4K if possible. Now upload your relaxing video to YouTube. A few tips for success. Use title, Use keywords like relaxing music, sleep sounds, or meditation background. Description include details, benefits, and keywords. Tags use relevant tags, relaxing music, sleep music, focus study. Thumbnail use a peaceful image plus calm font. Chapters optional, especially for long videos. You can also monetize after reaching 1K subscribers or 4K watch time, watch hours, or use affiliate links and donations. A few final tips. Upload longer videos, 30 minutes to 3 hours work well. Stick to a niche, sleep music, rain sounds. Be consistent and improve your visuals and mixing over time. That's how create relaxing music videos for YouTube in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. If you want a full walkthrough on mixing or looping techniques next. Thanks for watching and happy music making.